Once again, welcome to Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malda online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, in yesterday's lecture, we had seen that adjective means we see adjective and some examples of adjective, and also we had seen the definition of adjective. But today we are going to learn English grammar and subtopic adjective. So yesterday we had seen that the definition of adjective, and we also seen that some examples. But in today's lecture we see formation of adjective from other words. Means which other words? Means you can form adjective from other words ending. Means it is also called suffixes. Student, you know suffixes. So which suffixes? See, for example, OUS, FUL, less, Y, AL, IV, then able, ARY, and ISL. These are some suffixes, and we use these suffixes to formation of adjective to other words. So first we see some examples. See on whiteboard. First is formation of adjective from nouns. So first example is courage, courageous. So in this word we add here courage and then suffix OUS. Then word is made courageous. Then truth, truthful. In this word we use here suffix FUL, full. Then next is health. We add here Y, and then make what? Healthy. Then tooth, tooth. Then we add here less, and we make what? Toothless. Then nation, national. In this word we add here suffix al. Then student, second is formation of adjectives from verbs. So how to make formation adjective from verbs? See here, attract. Then we add here attract suffix iv, and we make word attractive. Then next word depend, and we add here suffix able, and then make a word dependable. Then third word is imagine, and we add here y, and make a word imaginary. Then student, third number is formation of adjective from other adjective. Means here we use nouns and here words, but now we use other adjective. So for example, black, we add here suffix sh, and then blackish. Then historic, then historical. Means in this sentence we add here al, suffix al. Okay student, you understand? Now I read once again these words. You listen carefully. Courage, courageous. Truth, truthful. Health, healthy. Then tooth, toothless. Nation, national. Attract, attractive. Depend, dependable. Imagine, imaginary. Then black, blackish. Historic, historical. Means student, you understand how to formation to adjective to nouns, to adjective to some words, and also some other words. So student, at home you write down these all words in your notebook, and also read and recite these words, and also you write down 10